Welcome to my channel. At the end of this video, you will discover why about 99% of people got this algebraic expression wrong, and you also learn the correct way to simplify this using PEMDAS. Now, we have 1 minus 9 into 1 minus 9. Many persons have this 1 minus 9 that gives minus 8. Then right here, because of this parentheses, they have multiplication here. 1 minus 9 that gives minus 8. Then lastly, they multiply out this. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 8 that gives 64. But this very answer is wrong. Then as such, don't make this mistake. Now to get this correctly, we are going to have this 1 minus 9 into 1 minus 9. Right here, we are going to follow this order of operation PEMDAS. Now, as following this order of operation, first we are going to first of all consider the parentheses. Right here in this expression, there is no exponents. We have multiplication because of this parentheses. We have multiplication, no a division. We have subtraction here. We have addition. Because of this expression, we are going to have addition right here. Now, first, we are going to first of all consider the parentheses. That is, we are going to simplify this term inside the parentheses first, and we have this. And right here, we have 1 minus 9. Then we multiply out this because of this. Minus 1 minus 9, that gives us minus 8. But as such, here, the next from this operation, we are going to consider multiplication. Now we multiply out this, and this expression becomes 1. Here, minus times minus, this will give us plus. Then 8 times 9 times 8, that gives us 72. Then lastly, we consider addition. Now to 1 plus 72, that gives us 73. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.